I'm Robbie Robbins. I'm the general manager here with TMS International of the Southeast region. As a service provider, we do everything but make the steel. We kind of say we do everything but work inside the four walls. We supply all the scrap to them, and we handle all the finished product. Thompson Tractor, approximately 2 years ago, set up a hose shop here. And one of the conveniences of having an on-site hose shop is reducing downtime and reducing our cost and improving our reliability to our customer by being able to make the hose on site. We don't have to leave the site. It minimizes our downtime. If you have to leave the site, you might be gone anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 or 3 hours trying to find a facility to build a hose. We're here. Once the hose is out, typically in about 15 minutes we can have a hose built and ready to go back on the machine. And, we've also been able to work closely with them with a lot of other services where they've helped benefit us and make us more efficient in servicing our customer. We've been able to work with them with their all makes and models where it doesn't have to be a Cat branded machine. They help us with, other brands and models. They've got after-hour services for 24/7. They've got consignment inventory. They've got free cylinder pickup for hydraulic work that we get done. They're hydraulic specialists. They're PSSRs. You can call them day or night. I think we've got some of the best that we deal with out of just about any site that I go to. The service is there, and it's not just about pricing. We understand that in our business. Dealing with Thompson, it's the people, it's the service that they provide, and I think they do a great job with it.